One thing beginners misunderstand about freelancing. Clients usually don't expect you to be perfect. And honestly, nung beginner ako, akala ko kailangan alam ko na agad lahat bago ako magsimulang mag-apply. Parang feeling ko dati, bawal magkamali. Bawal mataranta, bawal may hindi alam. And because of that, ang tagal kong na-delay ng fear. Naalala ko before, sobrang ino-overthink ko lahat. Yung profile ko, yung proposal ko, yung possible questions ng mga clients. Iniisip ko, what if may itanong sila sa akin na hindi ko alam sagutin? What if magkamali ako? What if mapahiya ako? And honestly, I think maraming mga beginners ang nakaka-relate dito. Kasi minsan, hindi naman talaga lack of effort ang problema. Fear talaga. Fear of making mistakes, fear of disappointing people, and fear of looking inexperienced. Before, gusto ko muna talaga maging fully ready ako. Parang gusto ko muna na-complete yung knowledge ko muna bago ako gumalaw. Pero eventually, alam mo, na-realize ko, walang beginner na fully ready. And most real-world learning happens during the actual experience kay client, not before it. Kasi kahit gaano ka pa kadaming tutorials ang panoorin mo, iba pa rin kapag actual client situation na. Doon mo matututunan ang communication, problem solving, handling pressure, professionalism, and honestly, part yon ng growth. One thing that surprised me after working with clients is this, that most clients don't expect you to be perfect. What many clients actually value is honesty, responsiveness, willingness to learn, reliability, at maayos na communication. Kasi, clients understand na tao ka rin. And honestly, mas importante minsan sa kanila yun. Can I trust this person? Then, perfect ba siya? Now, obviously, hindi ibig sabihin nito, okay lang maging irresponsible. Learning still matters. Preparation still matters. Professionalism still matters. And you should still study, improve, ask questions, and take your work seriously. But there's a difference between being responsible and being trapped by perfectionism. Because perfectionism can quietly stop people from opportunities they're actually capable of growing into. Looking back now, I feel grateful na eventually nag-start ako kahit takot ako. Kahit hindi perfect, kahit marami akong hindi alam. Because confidence grew through experience. Hindi siya dumadating magically before the action. And honestly, ganun yata talaga minsan ng growth. You learn while moving and not while waiting forever. So, if matagal ka na naghihintay, maging fully ready ka, maybe this is your reminder. Perfection is not the requirement for progress. And sometimes, the opportunities that you are waiting for are on the other side of the imperfection action. Scary, uncomfortable, and still learning, pero willing kang mag-try.